Hello viewers, welcome to FJ Solutions, where mathematics calculations are made simple. Today we'll be learning how to solve quadratic equation. Let's go to class. So, we are asked to find the quadratic equation whose roots are 3 and 2. The first step we are going to take is to equal 3 and 2 to x. X equals to 3 or x equals to 2. The next step is these 3 and 2 have invisible plus. Make them visible. X equals to plus 3 or x equals to plus 2. Now we want to move this plus 3 across the equals to. The plus sign will change to minus. X minus 3 equals to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. Now let's open two brackets. Put x minus 3 in the first bracket. In the first bracket, x minus 2 in the second bracket, and equal everything to 0. Let us use arrows to guide us in multiplying these numbers in brackets. It is not necessary we use arrows if we have understood how to multiply numbers in the first bracket with numbers in the second bracket. Let's start. This x in the first bracket, we draw arrow from it to the second s in the second bracket. You come back to the first x in the first bracket, draw another arrow towards minus 2 in the second bracket. Minus 3, draw arrow from that minus 3 towards x in the second bracket. Then come back to that minus 3, draw arrow from minus 3 to minus 2 in the second bracket. So this will guide us to multiply all the numbers in the first bracket with second bracket without making mistake. Now let's start. X multiplied by x in the second bracket will give s squared. X in the first bracket multiplied by minus 2, we get minus 2x. We are through with the x in the first bracket. We move to minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by x in the second bracket, we get minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 2 in the second bracket. But before we go to that, the signs are very important. Let us multiply them first. Minus times minus will give plus. 3 times 2 will be 6. Then we equal everything to 0. We still have one more thing to do. This minus 2x and minus 3, we must understand that. Minus 2x means you are owing 2x. Minus 3x means you are also owing 3x. When we had your debt together, Yoruba call it gbese. When we had your debt together, then we have x you have added 2x and 3x together. You must return the minus in the equation to indicate that you have not paid your debt. We just add your debt together. That's why we have put back the minus in the question. This is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, the variable of quadratic equation, the highest variable has the power of 2. The highest variable of quadratic equation has the power of 2. So we have gotten the final answer. I believe you have all understood. Try the question on the board and drop your answer in the comments. Please follow, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next class. Bye.